With the assistance of the captured Cygnus staff and a small group of Imperial sympathizers, the crew of the Ars Opus has escaped and jumped the system. It seems that they had always planned for this. Having already built a number of back doors into our system, they were quietly gathering intelligence for the Empire until they caught wind of our plan to attack the Invincible and decided they needed to act with all haste. We believe they're headed for an Imperial safe point. Get after them immediately. If they share our location or the plans we've been making, our position in this sector will be lost.
Red Squadron, head to the jump point immediately.
Copy, Command.
Opus, you are not authorized for departure. Power down your engines and prepare for boarding.
I'm picking up a spike in their energy readings. Looks like they're about to jump.
Bar 4, get a log on their trajectory and calculate their most likely destination. Red Squadron, I'm sending you the new jump coordinates. Get after them immediately. Right behind you, lead. This is your final warning. Surrender. We will force our way on board the vessel.
Space turrets activating.
Reinforce your shields. We need to take out those turrets before we can signal the boarding craft. Space turrets destroyed. Activating beacon for boarding craft.
This is DX-9 Transport Dagger 1. Preparing to disable the Ars Opus.
Detecting ship exiting hyperspace. It's a Lancer-class frigate.
This is 2. I'm detecting 5 TIE fighters launching.
Thanks, 2. Let's see if we can keep those fighters off the Dagger.
This is Ars Opus, hailing Lancer frigate advantage. We're beaming across to you the position of the Rebel fleet.
That's gonna complicate things.
Opus. Retreat now!
I can't believe it. The Ars Opus. They blew her up. Frigate destroyed.
What do we do now?
There's nothing else to do here. Return to base.
That was close. Thanks to your swift action, we were able to stop the Ars Opus and prevent them communicating our plans to the Empire. Though we will always grieve the loss of our boarding crew, what we do next will be for them.